So if you're looking for an easy way to get paid every Friday for promoting other people's products, just recently over at Gumroad, I made $183.19 as an affiliate. And in this video, I want to show you exactly how to set this up so you can get paid every Friday as a Gumroad affiliate. First thing you need to do, head over to Gumroad. You'll see some staff picks here. These are the products that they recommend. Then you're going to see all the products by category. The products by category are essentially you understanding that these products are all categoried sort of loosely around a niche, or more specifically around groups of people or groups of products, and creators are dropping their products in here so they can be found by people that land on Gumroad.com or you as an affiliate. You have education, comics and graphic novels, audio, fiction books, recorded music, films. Then they do have a category here called Other, and you can see that that category has 422,000 products and has done $31 million in sales. So go to Gumroad, check out the products by category, check out the staff picks, see if something fits you and your audience and is something that can help the audience that you have created. Then when you're ready, click login. Then if you don't have an account, you'll be presented the login screen. Go ahead and click sign up. Or if you do have an account, go ahead and log in with Facebook, Google, X, Stripe, or use your email account. One quick note, this video is not about setting up your own Gumroad shop or creating your own products and selling them on Gumroad like I do over at 30minutemarketing.gumroad.com, where I have my own products. There's a link in the description. You can check that out. There's also a video here on the channel. I'll leave that up in the cards where you can check that out, where I walk through how to set up your own Gumroad store to sell your own products. This is all about being an affiliate. So when you log in, you want to go to products. Now, again, you won't have any products in your store. What you're looking for is the affiliated button. You click the affiliated button. It's not going to show anything because you haven't become an affiliate yet. All you need to do is click Become an Affiliate. Then here you're going to see your affiliate link where you can earn 10% for each referral sale you make with your link. This is the link that you want to use if you just want to send people to Gumroad so they can discover products on their own, or you can generate a specific link, a very targeted link to a product. I'm going to show you how that works in a second. Actually, I'll do that real quick with one of my own products. For example, if you went to 30minutemarketing.gumroad.com, again, link in the description, and you were to check out the Simple Truth Report, and you were to click on that product, this product has a URL like every website does. You would copy that URL right here, and when you copy that, you would take that back to the affiliate link generator, and then you would generate a link, and then that would become your affiliate link. Essentially, all it's doing is appending the ampersand or the and, an A equals, and then this number here is your unique affiliate ID. Now, there is a link down here, how to know if a product is eligible, because all products published on Discover, that was that first page when you go to Gumroad.com where you see all the categories and the staff picks of products, and you can search products for categories. That is basically where people can land and shop for different products based upon those categories. If you want to know if a product is available for you to be an affiliate and earn 10%, and also cookie every visitor that you send over to Gumroad so you can be paid out on any product they purchase, kind of like what happens over at Amazon. You can paste the product URL in there, and then you press search or hit enter, and you can see here that, yes, it is eligible for an affiliate commission. Of course, it's a $0 product. I give it away for free, but there are tons of other products over at my store that you can be an affiliate for if you are in the make money online space, or you have an audience of people that are interested in making money online and they want to know the truth about how that actually works. So that's how you generate your link. And now if you go back to Gumroad.com, you're going to see a new category recommended for you. This is where once you start looking at products and you make a few purchases, or you decide that this is your category and this is what you're all about at Gumroad, especially if you create your own products and create your own shop, which I do recommend, by the way. But to get started as an affiliate, say you want to promote this product here called ZemWriter. This is an AI writing tool. It's a piece of software. Now, the first thing you would do is you'd check out the sales page for ZemWriter, and you could see that it has a monthly option. It has a yearly option. So if you wanted to know if this product was available for an affiliate commission or for you to earn an affiliate commission, you would simply just come up here and then you would just copy that URL. You would go back inside your account under products, back under affiliated. Remember, you don't have any products. Back under become an affiliate. Then you would come down here to know if that product is eligible. Then you would simply hit enter or return, and it's going to show you if that product is eligible. This product is not eligible for the Gumroad affiliate program. So this product, they have decided they do not want affiliates, or they do not want to pay 10% inside of the Discover store, or if people are just browsing. Now, that doesn't mean that you can't become an affiliate, because every site has an affiliate, or every person on Gumroad has an affiliate site or an affiliate page. Become an affiliate for ZimWriter by Matt Zimmerman. You simply just go to the name of their Gumroad shop and then put /affiliates, and you'll land on that page. Now, understand what I'm saying here. I am saying he does not want to be in the Discover program, so he has opted out of that. But if you were to buy ZimWriter, if you were using ZimWriter and you wanted to share ZimWriter with your audience as an affiliate, you would come here and you would write in this promotion tab, like it says here, how do you intend to promote their products? How big is your audience? You want to show them, you want to tell them that you're a serious affiliate, that you want to actually promote their product because you use it, you like it, and you want to recommend it to your audience, and you think it's a good fit for your audience. And you want to make sure that you have a real Gumroad account, you have a real profile, and they know how to contact you, and they can see how big is your audience and how you are actually going to promote this product. Then you might establish a relationship with them and be able to promote this product. So we check that product out. We go back over to Gumroad. We look at recommended for you. Here is a product or a creator that is being recommended to me. I've actually purchased one of the products from this creator. So what you want to do at this point, again, is you want to click on any one of these. And again, you go to that product page. You check out the product page. You buy the product. You review the product. You like the product. You don't like the product. You want to recommend the product based upon what you like about it. You want to actually help your audience by recommending this product. What do? You simply, again, you scroll up here, you get the URL by copying it, go back under products, Gumroad affiliates, affiliated, come down and check and see if this product is available for you to promote and earn 10%. And you can see here it is. And to get your affiliate link at this point, you simply just click copy link, and that is going to be your affiliate link, the affiliate link that you share with your audience for them to click for you to earn a commission. Now, a few other things that you might want to know. Link in the description, becoming an affiliate on Gumroad. Read everything on this page, but I want to highlight getting paid for affiliate sales. Getting paid for affiliate sales, we, Gumroad that is, pay affiliates the same way we pay creators. You can read in detail about the process in this article. It will link you over to getting paid by Gumroad. You need to see the payout modes. You need to understand that you need a valid government-issued photo ID. You need to prove that you're a resident of the country, that Gumroad will pay out using direct payout or direct deposit to a bank account. You can also get paid by Stripe and PayPal. It says here there are other payout modes, but then it states, unfortunately, we do not support alternative payout modes like Payoneer, Wise, check, money order, wire transfer, etc. So Stripe, PayPal, and direct deposit inside of one of these countries, and you have to prove with a valid government ID. You have to prove you're a resident of that country, and you have to have a bank account. That leaves you with the last thing to know. The payout schedule is every Friday, but to receive a payout, you must have a minimum balance of $10 US in your account to get paid out, because they pay out every Friday. So that's being a Gumroad affiliate, how to get paid, how to get your links. Next thing I'd recommend you do is check out how to set up your own Gumroad shop and start selling your product, and go out and recruit your own affiliates. And you can do that by watching the video you see on the screen right here, right now. Check that one out. Look forward to seeing you in that video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.